Dear students, today I will teach you something very interesting. That is, I will teach you on the origin of a potato. And mind you, dear students, whenever you know any words or phrase or idiom, always try to learn its origin. So what will happen? It will enhance your interest and the words will be permanently indelible in your mind. So origin of a potato, here I would like to tell you that the real pronunciation of P-O-T-A-T-O is potato, not potato, potato. Between 8,000 to 10,000, it came from Peru, not Peru. By mistake, it has been printed as Peru, from Peru and Bolivia. And remember, recent research shows that potatoes originated 9 million years ago. And another instance that I want to give you, that potatoes were first originated in the Andes region of your South America. And very interestingly, I'll tell you, whenever a homemaker who sits preparing a dish on potato doesn't know its or might not have known its origin, some say that out of all vegetables, mostly all vegetables, your potato is a staple food, staple vegetable. So I have already given you some idioms on potatoes like hot potato, couch potato. Hot potato means critical, difficult situation. Couch potato means lazy person. Don't be a couch potato and don't enter into hot potato. Another thing I have given you, that meat and potatoes means basic or fundamental aspect. Don't be a couch potato. Don't be in any hot potato and try to go into the meat and potatoes of what I am teaching you now. You come to the board and see. Origin of a potato. Potatoes were first originated in the Andes region of South America between 8,000 to 10,000. Just I am telling you. $10,000 years ago. Remember how interesting. 8,000 to 10,000. Potato comes from the Spaniards, patata. Patata is a Spaniard word, and again patata comes from the Haitian batata. And remember, recent research shows that potato was originated 9 million years ago. You just write it down, very interesting things, and you have to go detailedly into the origin of potato. So see the miracle and write it down. Now see, give your all attention and be into these three idioms that I have mentioned here. First one is couch potato. Couch potato means lazy person. So here I will tell, don't be a couch potato and don't enter into hot potato means any critical issue. Just try to understand the meat and potatoes of what I am teaching. That means basic aspect, that is critical issue, lazy person. And somewhere I have misspelled Peru as Peyu. Peru as Peyu, and Bolivia, Hereditas, Peru, not Peru. So milestones, I think this video must give you immense pleasure and exaltation, and try to remember all these things, the names of the places like Andes region of South Africa, that is Peru, and your Bolivia, and the years 9 million years ago potato was originated, and somewhere it is mentioned that in between 8,000 to 10,000 ago it came into entity. How it came from the Spaniards patata, and patata from your patata. So remember this, it will give you immense pleasure. Try to discuss with your others. So what will happen? It will be yours permanently. Thank you. God bless you all.